If you haven't watched the previous video, please watch it. The link is given in the description. In the previous video, we have integrated Firebase Storage with our Android app and then uploaded couple of images to Firebase Storage. In this video, we will be loading those images inside our app. There are multiple ways, but we will do it in two ways. First, we will create another button above the upload button. Before that, I will set layout margin to btn_upload media. Button. For this button, I will set width to wrap content and height to 50. ID will be btn_download media. Text, download media. Bottom to top of, btn_upload media. Left to left of, parent. Right to right of, parent. I will also set layout margin to 5. Now, I will create a reference to this button in storage activity. Button btn_download media. btn_download media equals find view by ID, r.id.btn_download media. Now, I will set an on-click listener to this button. Whenever we click on this button, we need to download the image and display it in the image view which we have added in the previous video. We will download the image in two ways, one by downloading using image URL and second by using bytes. So first, by using URL. Storage reference.child, we have image 1 and image 2, I will first get image 1, .get download URL.add on success listener. Once the download is successful, we will use glide to load the image into image view. This is the dependency for glide which I have already added. So, glide.with, we need to give context here. Storage activity.this. Now, we need to specify the image URL. .load, URI, and finally the target image view, .into, imv_pic media. Here, we can also add on failure listener to handle loading failure. If the loading fails, we will simply display the reason using toast. Toast e.getMessage.toString. Now, I will load image 2 instead of image 1. We only have two images, image 1 and image 2. If we try setting the child to another name, for example image 3, we should get an error. Now, I will comment this code and we will load the image using bytes. Storage reference.child image 1, .get bytes. Here we need to specify the maximum download size. When we use get bytes, the image loads into app's memory. So we need to make sure that our app can handle the image. If you are loading larger images, make sure to use another method. So here, I will be setting the size to 1 megabyte. Final long 1 megabyte equals 1024, 1024. Get bytes, 1 MB. Add on success listener. Here, we will get the image in a byte array format. We need to convert this into bitmap and then load the bitmap into image view. So, bitmap 1, we already have a bitmap object named bitmap, so we will be naming new bitmap object as bitmap1. Bitmap1 equals bitmap factory.decode byte array. Our data will be bytes, the parsing should begin from the start, so offset is 0, and the size is bytes.length. Finally, we need to load this bitmap into image view. So, imv_picmedia.set image bitmap, bitmap.create bitmap, bitmap1. Now, I will try loading image 3, which is not present in the database at all, without setting a failure listener. As you can see, nothing happens. So now, we will set a failure listener and display the error using toast. Toast e.getMessage.toString. We can also create a folder and save image to that folder inside Firebase Storage.